Okay, so Android 14 brings an amazing feature with the latest build, and that feature is actually really helpful for people who are using web cameras. You guys don't have to worry about purchasing expensive web cameras. So in this video, let's talk about that particular feature and few other minor tweaks which Google have done. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here we have two phones. Towards the left hand side, this is Pixel 6a, which is running Android 14 Beta 5, and towards the right hand side, we have Pixel 7a, which is running QPR Beta 1. So first of all, let me show you the software information. If I go to about section, if you see the build number, it is .003, and going to Android version is 14, which comes with 1st September 2023 security patch. I received the OT update on my Pixel 7a and the update size was 540 MB. Guys, now before moving ahead, if you guys like our content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash that like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. So the first major change, or you can say add-on, is the support of webcam. Now you can use your device as the webcam without having to buy any application from Play Store. Android 14 QPR1 comes built in with this feature. Just plug the data cable and you are good to go. You just have to make changes in the USB preferences, select webcam. Before, if you guys remember, I used to do live streams. That time I used to use my OnePlus 11 camera as a webcam, but for that I had to purchase an app called IV Camera, which was a paid version. But now I can just use my Pixel phone as webcam, simply plug in and you are ready to use web camera. And another good thing, you can use this feature across Android smartphones also. I tried connecting my Pixel 7a camera to my OnePlus 11 and that did work perfectly fine. I just had to download an application called USB Webcam. I know using this feature with just smartphone is not that useful. I just wanted you all to know about this thing. You can also make changes in the camera settings, like you can use the 2x or even the front camera if you're using this feature on your PC. And another new add-on what you'll see on the home screen is implementation of floating system-wide search. As you can see here, this is my Pixel 7a, and if I open the app drawer, you'll see the Google search option is now in floating mode. You can just tap here and continue to search. By the way, by default, you won't be able to enable it. You can use the ADB command which are given in the description below. First of all, you have to download the platform tools. That link also I'll be providing in the description below. Once you download, unzip the platform tool zip file, and in that folder, you need to open command prompt. For that, just type CMD in the address bar and connect your device to PC. Once done, you need to enable developer option. That can be done by going to about section, tapping on the build number 7 times until you see you are a developer now. After that, just go to system, developer options, and from here you need to enable USB debugging. Once it is done, give the command ADB devices, and if you see any pop-up on your device, allow that permission and you should see your device serial number on the command prompt. After that, one by one, just paste the command. If you don't see any kind of errors, then you must have enabled this floating system-wide search option on your Pixel 7a. And if you reboot your device, this thing will disappear. So every time you have to re-enable that using ADB command. Another change what you'll notice, and that's in the clock styles. So if you go to wallpapers and style, going to lock screen, now you can see we have a new clock style here with this latest update. This is that clock. This is how it looks on always on display. And this is how it looks on lock screen. You can see that nice animation when I double tap this screen. And there's a new animation added whenever you change the color palettes. So for example, if I change the color palettes here, you can see a soft animation popping up on the preview. This wasn't the case on previous build of Android 14. After that, under wallpapers and style section, if you go to more wallpapers, you can see we have a different preview for emoji workshop, which wasn't the case on previous build, or you can say Android 14 Beta 5. That time the preview was in squarish shape, but now it's horizontal. And another change what you'll see, that is related to live wallpapers. So here you can see I have a live wallpaper downloaded. If you tap on set live wallpaper or set wallpaper, now we have a new option called lock screen. Previously, we only had two options, which is home screen and then home screen and lock screen. Now you can set individual live wallpaper or a different live wallpaper for lock screen too. Some minor changes are also done in the launcher. So if you go to home setting, there are few changes done. For example, search your phone now have a different name, which is called search preferences. And if you go inside this, instead of always show keyboard, now we have swipe up to start search. Web suggestion have also renamed to web search. Some minor change, but functionalities are almost same. You will also see some changes if you have enabled home screen rotation. So for example, here you can see if I swipe up or open app drawer, the Google search pops up towards the bottom side. And that's not the case on Android 14 Beta 5. And that I think have enabled after giving this ADB command. And one more thing which I forgot to mention, whenever you tap here on the search bar and if you scroll down, you can see there are two new icons now. Now let's talk about some of these changes which are done in the settings page. So first change, you'll find it in the connected devices. So here you can see I have one device pad which is here too. If I tap on the settings, now there's a option of audio device type where you get few options like speakers, headphones, car kit, hearing aid and others. But that's not the case here on previous build of Android 14 which was beta 5. Then another nice add-on, what you'll find it in the about section. If you scroll down, there's a new tab called battery information which wasn't present on beta 5. So here you'll get to know the manufacturing date of the battery and also the cycles. But it still has a description which says due to the quality inspection before shipping, the cycle count may not be 0 on the first use. Right now you can see my device cycle count is 13. So this way you'll get to know how old is the battery on your Pixel devices. And when we are talking about the battery, there's a small change done in the battery section too. If you go to battery section, tapping on adaptive battery, here you'll see the description is changed, but it works exactly same how it used to work before. Only some changes are done in the description. And another new add-on, what you'll see, that's under the developer option. So first you have to enable the developer option. You can do that, which I've already told you. Go to about section and tap on the build number 7 times until you see you are a developer now. Now there is a new option here which is show key presses. This thing is disabled by default. You can enable it. So whenever you press any key, like I press the volume down key, here you can see on the screen it's written volume down. If I press the volume up key, it shows me the text of volume up key. This is actually a great add-on done by Google. So guys, these were all the changes what we discovered on the latest Android 14 build. If you guys have any kind of questions, you can let us know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys are gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.